Arĩ kiumia kimwe gitigarite niguo bũrũri ũrikie gĩthurano-inĩ kinene. Komishoni ya ithurano na mĩhaka rũcinĩ rwa Jumatatu ĩgĩte na gĩikaro na nyũmba cia mohoro cia nja wa bũrũri na gwĩkĩra mũkonde igũrũ rĩgiĩ maũndũ matiganĩte. Ta raia a bũrũri wa Venezuela arĩa monekete na stika cia IEBC kĩharo-inĩ kĩa ndege kĩa JKIA, wagĩrĩru wa mĩtambo ya KIMS ĩrĩa ĩkahũthĩka kũheana network na ũrĩa ũtari wa kura ũgatabanio na njĩra ya mĩtambo.
Kama tumeweka mikakati mizuri ya kuhakikisha kuwa safari kama mtu ataenda kotini hata kuwa na sababu yoyote, mahakama itakuwa na sababu yoyote ya kubatilisha hayo matokeo. Kwanza matokeo ya mwaka wa 2017 matatizo yalitokea upande ule wa kukagua yale matokeo kwenye karatasi ambazo tunaita results form, ambayo kulingana na tume ilikuwa kuna pengine form mbili ambazo ni original. Safari tumekubaliana ya kuwa tutatumia booklet moja peke yake, na hiyo inamaanisha ya kuwa hatutakuwa na karatasi mbili tofauti. Tutakuwa na karatasi moja na ziko na security features ambazo mtu hawezi kuziiga, hauwezi kukuwa na karatasi bandia ambazo zitakuwa sawa na zetu.
IEBC oho ni anĩrĩire atĩ mũhotani wa gĩturwa kĩa president ndakanĩrĩrwo ũtukũ ta ithurano imwe cia na hau kabere.
We have 7 days to declare the winner of a presidential election, and let me assure the country and the whole world that we shall not announce the winner at night. It will be broad daylight. We shall inform Kenyans the time when we are declaring. As soon as we finish, we shall declare the winner.
Ceceni cia ũikia wa kura iria cionekete itarĩ na hinya wa network ya 3G kana 4G nĩciongererekete na makĩria ma 1,000. Ona gũtuĩka IEBC nĩ ĩrĩire Kenya atĩ nĩ ĩkahũthĩra raini ciothe cia ũheani wa motungata ma network kũgerera mũtambo wa KIMS.
In areas where there's no network, we have provided for satellite modems that will transmit, so we expect successful transmission.
1,111 centers were said not to be having the 3G network. But now, upon detailed verification of the same, we have 1,272 that have weak network. So our KIMS kit are loaded with 2 SIM cards, whereby we have the primary SIM and the secondary SIM card, so that if one will not pick the network, the next one will pick.
Kũhingwo wa cukuru tene, IEBC yugĩte nĩ ũndũ kũmĩhotithia kũharĩria ceceni cia gũikĩria kura.
I've started distribution of strategic materials to the counties, and we are happy that the Ministry of Education has finally announced the closure of schools to be tomorrow the 2nd, which now gives us the room to get into the polling stations, which most of them are in the primary schools.
Paka sasa hivi tumeweza kutrain TOTs 1,200 katika region zote 10. Tumejaribu kuigawanya nchi kwa regions 10. Tumewafundisha kwa clusters 10. Wakufunzi 1,200, na pia tumetrain university students na deans wao katika university out of the katika hizo 77 university 45 zilijitokeza.
Maratathi ma gĩturwa kĩa president marĩa matigarĩte matanyĩtwo gũka gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ mũthenya wa gatatũ kiumia gĩkĩ. Bũrũri ũkĩrika gĩthurano-inĩ kinene kiumia twerekeire, komishoni ya IEBC ĩrĩire aikia a kura milioni 22 ũkanokĩra na kũnyita itemi rĩao rĩa gũikia kura, amu yo nĩ ĩharĩirie kũigana gũtabania gĩthurano. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV kuma Bomas, kaunti ya Nairobi, njĩtagwo Wanjikũ wa Kimani.